once again.
Hello everybody, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be sharing about UKG syllabus, and this will be a detailed video about how and what all the things that you need to take care if you're homeschooling your kid this year for the upper KG. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's see what all are there for UKG syllabus. So first of all is in the English. So English, it is letters A to Z, the revision of both capital and small letter. In some school they also do the cursive writing. In that I'll share with you what are the cursive writing letter books that you can follow. So do follow those books. Second is the revision of the phonics sounds, as I have mentioned earlier also in my nursery and LKG syllabus, that there will the phonics sounds of the 26 first letters phonics sounds. So those sounds also you do revise, and after that also the next 42 sounds will also come. So we will see one by one. Next is the introduction of the vowel and consonant. So what is the difference between A, E, I, O, U? In this vowel and consonant also, what you have to do is the point number 8 over here, short and long vowel sounds. So here what exactly, A will have two sounds, right? So short vowel sounds is something different, which will be A, and the long vowel sounds will be the different one, which sounds as A. So like A, if we say, so apple, so apple it's A, and A is like cake. So here this A and E, this sounds as the long vowel sounds. Similar way, all the 5 vowels have the different sounds of the short vowel and well as the long vowel sounds. So this also you have to do with your kids. You have to introduce those short and long vowel sounds. Now the consonants, the rest on the 21 letters, that you have to tell them that these are consonants and these are vowels. Now is the identify of beginning, ending and middle sounds. So suppose any rat. So here the beginning sounds is R, Ra. Then the middle sound is A and the end sound is T. So this is the beginning, middle and the ending sounds. Like this, if you divide and you share with them and you teach them, so what will happen is that kids will have a proper understanding of how the letters are being called as a sound of. Also this will help them out to write the spelling in the near future as well. Now comes is the rhyming words. So how exactly, as I said, rat, in the same the rhyming word is cat, in the same as hen and pen. So this kind of rhyming words. So for that, first you start with the short and long vowel, then you make them understand the beginning and middle and end letter sounds, the sounds how it comes. Then you introduce them with this at, en, this all the long short vowels, this all words you do. This regarding this videos I'll share with you in my upcoming videos. So this is like CV sounds over there, that is consonants and vowel sounds, how exactly it works. So CVC words I will share with you. So after that you come with this rhyming words. So this will be a proper way how you are teaching them stuff. Next is the concept of this, that, these, those and one, many. So this you can simply do with different kind of activities. So regarding the activities, again, as I said, that upcoming videos I'll share with you. Next is the blending of consonant and vowels, which I just said, that CVC sounds, that is consonants, vowel and consonant sounds, like rat, hen, then PEG, peg, then your bun, UN sounds, then pin, IN sounds. So this blending of consonants and vowel, this all things also is very essential. Next is short and long vowel sound, which I already shared with you. Then comes the use of a, an, he, she, in, on, under, in all the sentences whatever the kids is telling. How exactly, that I want an apple. So now maybe the kid is telling you that give me an apple. So they have to make you have to make them understand that they have to tell, give me an apple. Next is this is a house. So how they should use, so you have to make them understand those all things. Now is the storytelling and picture narration. So this is very important. You can narrate as much as stories as you can. You can tell them moral stories, Panchatantra stories, animal related stories, the different grandma tales which comes. This sort of maximum number of stories you tell them while sleeping. Tell them stories. After that, ask them how the story is all about. Suppose a very simple story, if I take like pigeon and ant story, so tell them, ask them to narrate that story, and then if there is any confusion they are getting, you just make them understand this is the confusion, just help them out, and then you can see that your kids are doing wonder. In the same way, the picture narration. So how the picture narration, you just show them any picture. You take any good picture from any books, any textbook, any kind of activity books, or any even from Google. You can take different pictures and you can ask them to narrate what is happening in that picture. The same thing even I told about the LKG syllabus also, to make them understand what is happening in the picture. Also ask them that what is happening in the picture. So this is all in the picture narration. Then different sight words are suggest. First start with the sight words, like very simple two letter words like in, at. Then you go for he, she, this 3 letters sight words. Then gradually you go for 4 letter sight words, and so that it will help them to read the books. Generally the sight words will be the common words which you can see in any books, like he, she, with, on, off, like this kind of sight words. Next is the word which starts with or ends with ch, sh, ck, th, ng, like thing. So ng, what is the sound? Like chick, ch, chick. Like ck, it ends with k and starts with ch. So how is the sound of that? Then fish. So what is the sound of sh? After the phonic sounds, you also start with this. So this was all about English language. Let's move on. Moving out towards the next category, which is maths category. Here what exactly you need to focus on is 1 to 100. So 1 to 100, what all things? This is identification, recognition of the letter of the numbers, then the quantification. They should be able to quantify also. If you are showing them, they should count and quantify accordingly. They should be able to sequences, that after 1 what comes, after 10 what comes. They should not say that after 15 it is 17. So that sequence should be there. And also now at this point they should also be able to write 1 to 100. Last year, that means for LKG, it was till 50. Now from 50 to 100 also, the total overall is 1 to 100. Next is after, before, between concept. It is the same how we have done it for the LKG, that is after, before, between concept. So after, like how it comes after, if you are saying, so 40, what comes after 40? What comes before 51, and what comes in between to 60 to 62. So what comes in between? So this is the after, before and in between concept. Next is the backward counting from 50 to 1. So LKG it was 20 to 1. Now it is 50 to 1 backward counting. Next is of 2D and 3D shapes. So 2D and 3D shapes like square, rectangle, whatever the shapes are there. Then cone, cube, this all also you introduce to them. Next is picture addition and subtraction. So picture addition, you can show them 2 pictures like stars and stars. So 1 and 2. So count with the pictures. They have to tell how much it is, 3. In the same way, subtractions also. In the same way, 3 stars pictures are given, and here 1 star picture is given. So how much is coming? It is coming 2. In the same way, next is it should be the addition and subtraction which you are introducing. It should be 1 digit addition and subtraction. So till 9 or 10 you can do it. So 0, to 9. So this 9 digit, one digit only. Now we are not introducing the 2 digits, that is from 10 onwards we are not doing, only till 9 addition and subtraction it should be introduced. Next is usage of sign of greater than, lesser than and equals to. So take any sort of things or any picture, simple you can draw any simple shapes or something like that, and both the sides you keep it, let them count, let them understand which number is greater one, which number is smaller one. So the signs, with the help of pictures, with the help of numbers, just introduce them, the greater than, lesser than and equal to signs. Then you come with tens, ones and hundreds concepts. So what exactly is the concept is all about tens, ones, hundred, how you are supposed to do it. So all those things you introduce so that it will help them for the upcoming 2 digits addition and subtraction part. Next is the concepts of the pre-concept maths concept, like how you must have done with your kids for LKG as well as for the nursery. So this is again 2, 3 in more are there. Suppose it's big, small, full, empty, heavy, light, more, less, same, different, in, out, front, back, thick, thin, top, bottom, far, near. This pre-concept maths is very much better that you introduce them with the help of different fun activities rather than just a bookish few activities. Obviously I'll share with you in the upcoming videos. Now comes is the introduction of time and money. So introduction of time, the kid now at this age start teaching them how to read the time, or how can they tell you the time. So you can do it with the analog watches obviously, and also the digital watches, because now a digital watch we can see many places. So how to read analog clock as well as the digital clock, make them understand both way and the different times. So first start with 12, then 6, then 3 and 9, and then the rest one. This is the best way that you should teach your kids. What is the book that you can follow for this? A very fantastic book is there. I'll share with you in my upcoming video. So do watch out my next video. Mostly in my next video I'll share with you what is the best book that you can buy for the time. Now next is money. So you can have first start with the coins, then you can show them the notes, and the last one is primary and secondary colors. So now here you make them understand that these are primary colors and these are secondary colors. So what is secondary colors? When we are mixing the two primary colors, we get a secondary color. So this concepts make them understand, let them explore, give them the different colors and let them explore how the primary colors are, why it has been called when they are doing the activity, make them understand why it is called as primary activity. Give them more and more kind of painting activities and ask them to combine themselves, like to mix themselves, and then they can find out the colors, that what is coming out. So this was all about the maths section. Now let's move on. Now next one is our general awareness. So general awareness is about myself. So in about myself there are different parts. One is body part, sense organs, home, family, seasons, school, neighborhood. So regarding sense organ, I have already shared one video. The link will be in the description box. Do check out over there. That is a very simple fun activity which you can do with your kids to make them understand about the sense organs. Regarding the body part, seasons and other general awareness, I will be surely share with you few videos. Then next is all about safety and traffic rules. Third one is all about the world of animals, their young ones and their habitats. The fourth one is about the transportations. Already we have introduced the transportation in nursery as well as in the LKG. Now to take a little bit step ahead, that maybe you can introduce air transport, what is being used for the air transport, how the water transports, more variety of water transports, those all things you can introduce, more varieties of air transport, all the transport in that case you can introduce to them. Now next is the community helper and their vehicles. Also I will suggest that for community helper also make them understand how their offices look like, how their workplaces looks like. So that also you introduce to your kids with the regarding of the community helpers. Then comes is the wonderful world. So how your world looks like In the world, I'll also add that you also introduce them with the solar system. That is also a very good concept that they should learn about. So what consists of this beautiful world, what all things are there in this wonderful world, how you should save your world, those all things you introduce them in this wonderful world section. Next comes is the country and the details. Tell them about your country, the capital of your country, what is the speciality of your country, what are the national animals, birds, fruits and vegetables. Like this you introduce them. Give them more and more details about your country. If we are talking about India, then what are the different states, the union territories, what are the different cultures that we have, the festivals that we celebrate. So in and out of the country you tell them about. Next is the parts of plants. So different parts of plants. Till now the depth of parts of plants you just make them understand. Also the parts of flowers you can tell them. Next is the days of weeks and months in a year. So again revise, keep on revising the days of the week and months every day with your kid. Next is introduction to air, water, sound, pollution. Now till now you must have introduced them with what is air, water and sound is all about, what is important, what are the uses of air, water in our lives. Now it is very important to make them understand what is all about the pollution is being, how we are polluting the air, how we are polluting the water. So this concepts also they should understand. So this is very important point that you should introduce them air, water, sound, pollution as well. Next is the living things and the non-living things. Brush up what living things, non-living things are. More detail you want to give them more details. So this was all about the general awareness section. Let's move on. Now comes our next part, which is of Hindi. Hindi, first is swar and vyanjan. Obviously both you revise again. So what they should be able to do in this year is identifying as well as writing of swar and vyanjan both. Next is 2 and 3 letter words. So like a se anar, a se am, now they know that. How to write am, how to write anar, this also you make them understand. Introduce the matra also. Introduce the matra also for them. And in a very fun way you make them understand with the help of different lots and lots of pictures. You make them understand how it is being pronounced as. So they should be able to understand the beginning letters, their sounds and the matra. Now comes as colors, days, fruits and vegetables. So when you are introducing the different swar and vyanjan, that point of time also tell them that this, like the names in Hindi of like aam, mango in English, so aam in Hindi, like this sort of things in Hindi, colors, days, fruits and vegetables. This also they introduce to your kids. This was all about in Hindi section. Let's move on. Now we come towards the end of our UKG syllabus and we will finish up with our gross motor skills. So gross motor skills, now the simple yogas or the animal yogas you introduce to your kids, which is very important. Second thing is jogging on the spot. Third is throwing and catching of the balls or any object in that case. Jumping and running in a proper way, in a proper direction. See how they are having the control in their body, how they are walking, how they are following your introduction in your all whatever the instructions you are giving, how they are following those things. Next is the forward, backward and sideways walking. So as we have done it for the LKGs also, so it is the forward one, the backward one and the sideways, both the sideways, how they are walking, that you should see properly. How is the judgment is all about, how is the control in their body, which is very important. And the last one is the bending, sliding and swinging. So this bending is obviously it will be helpful for the flexibility of their body. So this was all about today's UKG syllabus, which I have just shared. Whatever the books are necessary, what all the books that you can introduce, what are the different publications books are good for the kids, the different activities, that I'll surely share in my upcoming videos. one video I have already shared for the younger ones, the writing ones, that how you can improve the writings of different numbers or alphabets for your kids. What are the books, publications that you can follow, which are very good one. For cursive writing, I'll surely add on in the description box what are the publication books that you can go forward with for the cursive writing as well. So this was all for today's video. We'll meet up in my next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Press on the bell icon so whenever I'm uploading, you will be getting notified then and there. Share with your family and friends if you're finding it helpful. So happy learning. Be safe at home. Follow all the measures of coronavirus, whatever the COVID-19 measures and precautions are you need to take up. So meet you in my next video. Bye bye.